Hello friends, this is Dr. Meenakshi. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with task 1 that is called as butterfly chart. And so statement is the graph below shows the spending habits of adults in China in 1997 and 2017. So 1997 and 2017 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ it's all about कि उन्होंने कितनी स्पेंडिंग की सी कितना खर्च किया सी so that percentage is given to you. So whenever you are going to start with task 1, what you have to do, first of all you have to do planning, right? So as you all know, first part is all about the introduction part in which you have to rephrase the given statement whatever is given to you. Second part is body paragraph 1, third is body paragraph 2, and last one is overall. So in body paragraph 1, what you have to do, you have to write the 3 sentences in one, and in body paragraph 2 you have to write again 3 sentences. So that is the best way, and at last you will write overall. Got it? Number 1, introduction. चलो आप चेक कर दे कितना लिख सकते हैं. So I would say the rendered butterfly chart yes exhibits information about or provides the data. कुछ भी लिख सकते हो तुसी, सिंपल फॉर्म च भी लिख सकते हो, कॉम्प्लेक्स भी लिख सकते हो, राइट? अबाउट yes the percentage of money which was expended by the youngsters yes on 1 2 3 4 5 on 5 sectors or 5 things in one particular nation China by 1997 and 2017. Got it? That's all about introduction part. Now come to second part, that is body paragraph 1. So केड़े 3 sentences आप 1 च बनाने ने ते केड़े 3 आप body paragraph 2 च बनाने ने. Number 1, I am going to do planning of this task by using the maximum. This one is maximum value. Yes, 16. This one 14 is second maximum. Yes, I am right here. Then least one is 2%. Yes, then these are the similar values. These both are the double values. Yes, so दोनों ने ऊपर लिखेंगे double. Exactly. So these two ones you have to take difference. So you will make sentence of more than. Difference is of 3%. Got it? And last we are left with only one value, so I will make independent sentence by using this value here. So number of sentences are number 1 maximum, second maximum, number 2 double, number 3 independent. These 3 ones I will make in body paragraph 1, and in 2 first one is least, second one is similar, third one is difference. Got it? So इस तरीके नाल असीं की करांगे, प्लानिंग करांगे, and in total 6 sentences बनावांगे including body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2. I hope it's clear. चलो आगे आप शुरू कर दिया with body paragraph 1 to begin with. Yes, I am going to start with the maximum and second maximum value. So ध्यान नाल सुनोगे. The maximum percentage of money spent on petrol in 2017 was 16%. Yes, comma followed by second maximum percentile of bucks shelled out on the same sector by 1997 had value as 14%. First sentence is done. Second one, double percentum of bucks dispensed on food in 1997 bracket च लिखूंगी 10%, then on the same sector in 2017 bracket च लिखूंगी 5%. Second sentence is done. Now go on to third one, independent sentence. Expenditure incurred on clothes in 1997 was 7%. Third sentence done. Listen carefully. तुसीं एक चीज़ नोटिस की होनी, इहदे विच मैं vocabulary words यूज करती पई हाँ. Listen. Number 1, money spent. 2 money expended, 3 bucks shelled out, 4 bucks dispensed, then expenditure incurred or expenditure did. So these are the vocabulary words which I am going to use here in task 1 to get good band score. Got it? Chalo, done. Now come to the second one, that is body paragraph 2. First sentence will be of least. Got it? So the least percentage of bucks shelled out on clothes was witnessed in 2017 and recorded as 2%. Done. Next one, second one, similar percentum of money expended on gadgets and other goods and services in 1997 was seen as 8%. Second one is done. Now come to third one, that is of difference, these two ones. Eventually 3% of money spent on other goods and services in 2017 was more than on gadgets in the same year. Full stop. So ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਨੂੰ use ਕੀਤਾ difference ਨੂੰ. Done. So in total 6 sentences you need to write here, both in body paragraph 1 and 2. So in total 6 ਬਣਨਗੇ. And moreover ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ ਵੇਖੋ, it's a very easy way to complete task 1, and along with that beta ji you will definitely get good score ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲੈਕਸੀਕਲ ਰਿਸੋਰਸਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਐਡ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ ਆਪਣੇ ਟਾਸਕ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. ਸੋ ਲੈਕਸੀਕਲ ਰਿਸੋਰਸਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਆਲ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਵੋਕੈਬਲਰੀ. ਗॉट ਇਟ? ਯੈਸ. ਐਂਡ ਲਾਸਟ ਵਨ ਇਜ਼ ਓਵਰਆਲ. ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਓਵਰਆਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਲਿਖਣਾ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਓਵਰਆਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਈਅਰ ਮੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ, ਵੈਲਿਊਜ਼ ਮੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨੀਆਂ. ਫॉर द फर्स्ट ईयर इट्स ऑल अबाउट 1997 ना, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਦੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੇ ਲਿਖੋਗੇ ਫਾਰਮਰ ਈਅਰ. And for the second one, that is all about 2017. For this one you will write later year. Got it? So ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਕੀ ਦੱਸੂਗੀ ਕਿ maximum expenditure ਕਿਹੜੇ ਈਅਰ 'ਚ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀ, ਫਾਰਮਰ 'ਚ ਜਾਂ ਲੇਟਰ 'ਚ, ਵੇਅਰ ਐਜ਼ ਮਿਨੀਮਮ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਈਅਰ 'ਚ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀ. ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਚੈੱਕ ਕੀਤਾ ਓਵਰਆਲ. ਸੋ ਮੈਕਸਿਮਮ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਿਹਦੇ ਤੇ, ਪੈਟਰੋਲ ਤੇ. ਕਦੋਂ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀ? ਲੇਟਰ ਈਅਰ 'ਚ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀ. ਵੇਅਰ ਐਜ਼ ਲੀਸਟ ਵਨ, yes, on clothes in the same year. Same year means later year. So these things you need to add here in your task 1. I hope it's clear. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.